Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here with you with another driving video. First of all, if you're new to the channel, if that subscribe button is still red, just click that subscribe button, turn it gray, and just join the Raymore Reviews family. So we're doing a drive from 3 miles to Garvey Drive. That's what we're doing today. So stay tuned and drive along. Remember to leave a comment after the video. Share your thoughts. Remember to like the video and share as well. So now we're approaching Garvey Drive, and we'll head towards the downtown area. On my left is the Tinsapen Airdrome, one of the smaller private airport in Jamaica. Private in the sense that it's smaller aircraft and stuff like that, not one of the international airports. Alright, it's got Tinsapen Airdrome on the left, our airdrome. So stay tuned, guys, and again we're on Garvey Drive. So on the left, what you can see are, you know, the facilities that hold the vehicles that are just coming in Jamaica. You know, hundreds of newly imported, pre-owned and new vehicles. So on the left is the entire holding area, and then on the right is the wharf area. Different companies over there. It's basically an industrial complex based on the type of companies. So you have wharf and different warehouses, stuff like that. have Petrogram on the right. That's where all the different crude oil comes in Jamaica. Get distilled into different type of oils and stuff like that. So Petrogram. That's also on Marcus Garvey Drive. It's on the right. So from different type of fuels, kerosene, gasoline, diesel. This is where it's shipped to and then distributed. Garmex free zone is on the left, and again still a lot of industrial companies out this side. So you have Garmex, you have again Petrogram, you have Wharf, different warehouses, different shipping companies, JPS plant. So a lot of companies out this side. Nutramix, JPS Hunts-Bay Power Station. So all of this is the industrial terrace. It's an industrial area, and then this road brings us straight into downtown. Have separate on the left. So we just passed Jamaica Customs. Now we're passing downtown Municipal Transport Center on the right. It's a well talked about facility that was built as a bus station, a public bus station, but yet it's not being used. They also had a different section on the left over here that was never used. So you just run down. No one uses it. One of the main complaints, first of all, was how far down this side it was from the more busy side of downtown. So after they build it, not a lot of traction, so it's just sitting and wasting away. So we're basically in downtown right now. In front of us is Pecan Street, so we'll be going on Arbor Street, and then we'll end the video on Arbor Street. So it was just a quick drive, 3 miles to Marcus Garvey Drive to Arbor Street basically. So as usual guys, thanks for supporting, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Really appreciate the support.